bini mampanya ba de echo de ato dwasem o ma Ghana yanyamfom so kra ankoto ba ne manipa wada Ghana sika beton confirm na worum nyina tutu akobokina faso sanso na kane mampanya ro John Dramani ma so ade ato dwa wasanyame ya adom no betena konya so obawasa ba adwuma ko nyina da won beto nneoma ye no ma Ghana na wonto bi emfiri babia tetena ni dema andisi amanyoko no ro Johnson asiedun ketia akasa wadi ato Ghana mamfo nyina nim se pese amemu no yede aye kama ne mpuntunyuma bamu de ma andisi amanyoko no dia ene no osra da skirt and blouse so afi yahwe na yantubi sanso no ma Ghana post wepmase edu ade ato ensore ene ewiase amansa nyina nim so obasra pa ye nuanom binom a womonam kuntina sepasa afi abato no womo bese o meya sumdwe ne yenyi wonom nyina mpie na Ghana mamra ene womo eni afa video bi so a apie dwana mrante kwa akentera wan bi kasa a kire se afi awuni a wode besie womo so betwa no Ghana Police Service adiaba se wa obetumi aboa masa ankrofo no yensa so womo mu no sika twetwere de 20,000 Ghana cedis womba dane ya kire ede ama wei ene nsema wodo pi no an ya boboa no a yadna nyina baba somo san no nsia kase boya fa sida amanyumaku akase ye area 21st clinical the sciatica expert na won momra ne through herbal center so what through core capsules atayechi express group wo paso to kwan he na paso ko wodo be kwa jojo ye ho ama samizo ana 5G so ya dam nyina mo sedam wase wo madoro ma ana dre no mrese ya aye nya da je betena se me ye ko da ho ne yakenkan sem nyina de ma wo na me so maje adwa me ba kenkan sem nyina kroje se suchirema medin ene akosua aje wa kwade boaten afei ensem no ne nchemu akasa eni mampanya be de che Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de akwakoto dwa ewo saboba ye no ewo tivido mantamo de ato Ghana fo nyina anim se afei abato ya babato ne sabe mpredo asanya agodio ne akasa ye kwakoso ahwe na kina bi no yato ne yi amanipa obetumi aboa ye wose da bi da enu nti na ho akwakwo hia se ewo sa afei aba no ye ha ya ni na ya fe ye ni pa asasa mansama ya wosama ne tamfo nsuo na won pese obehu ade tuntum korapo wo nsuo ni mu no na ye tumi rase ye beto abande ama no sanse ndisi amanyoko no ya wo me ye aban bi ye mra bi atwam wo betena akonya so no wase nuamom de gu akwam Ghana yankase ani ko twere ye horo santamo ye hu bi ye di nwada se dum so bai na nya nonko watabre Ghana sika de koton confirm so oba ba ye ne wi akire confirm no kra ho akontabuo wantumi emu ankere ye wose Ghana fo san confirm no won motutu ko boki na faso ejisa na se nipa kro na se ba biem na wose Ghana fo se wode nkokon ketenkete na eba enna wose Ghana fo gidi ada wose da bida ye nyina so ani ento aba mfanti ndisi amanyoko no ne ye wose oro Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na nioma pa wate akonya se vice president wode egu akwamu no won fa nyina da emfamra enhye pemu.
Make no mistake about it. By the grace of God, inshallah, we are winning this election. We are winning this election. Make no mistake about it. The only issue for me today, if we vote today, we win. The only issue is the gap. How big a gap we are going to give our opponents. I want a big gap. I want a big gap. I want all of you to come out. I want a big gap. We want to beat them well. In this election, there are two of us, isn't it? Myself and the former president. During his term, all the money, hundreds of millions that were given to him to develop the North, he said he was rearing guinea fowls. Guinea fowls under SADA. We have not seen one SADA project in the 5 northern regions. Is there a SADA project in Saboba? Have you seen one SADA project in Saboba? One SADA project? No. We asked him, where are the guinea fowls? He said they have flown to Burkina Faso.
I was young Danny Ranwana, son, where I am a Panya Bedicher Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. na mampanya dada ye John Dramani Mahama so ne de ne mo ewe poye mantamu ne nto aboya na twato ewo ho no no eno ne Ghana man adehye binom a ewe poye mantamu ko hya kira sanya de hiani aban ne wase wode ne yoma pa begu akwamu eno na Ghana fo ehwehwe na sa ne yoma pa no nyina na kwa gina se benya adwuma pa ye benya aduane pa de ne ye benya ba bi papa ye betumi de yeti atoɔ wase ano nko ada sane nya sa ne yoma we a aya no wanta anwene hwibiem na so rewo sam na sa ba webetena akonya so no ene nkoda korampo no aba we na ase se free senior high wode one more kro no enuane asabi mpradua so asaye ana sa nkoda no adie na nya asam ne yenka na nka aduane a asaye a eye mo ba sampema aduanum yenu ye kurokira ne nyina de gu botto foforo mu tabiri ade koma senior high school se nkoda se won mu ni ana enam so nti ye John Dramani Mahama se wono de woba sa de ne nyade obeye bi kura na nyame ya dom amo aba betena konya so sama mpanyine 2025 a woba ra yan hye foforo kura se ne beye aban adwuma akuo nyina da wo mo ma Ghana mu no wo mbeto made in Ghana gusu nko a ye nuane ye bedie ye mpaboa ye bese ye ntade ye bibiada abaye nneoma ye no wo ma Ghana se ne beye a Ghana so ye betu anya sikadwitwiridie ade aba man ho bra.
Every year is almost 200 billion cedis. If part of this 200 billion we dedicate and say, if government is going to buy medicine, we'll buy made in Ghana. If government is going to buy rice, we'll buy made in Ghana. If government is going to buy oil, we'll buy made in Ghana. If government is going to buy chicken, we'll buy made in Ghana. If we buy made in Ghana, why can't we do 24-hour economy? Unless we cut down our imports, we cannot rise as a nation. There are certain basic things that we can produce ourselves, but we are not supporting our people to produce it. The last time I went to Upper East, the farmers who farm rice there, they had excess rice that they didn't know where to take it. And yet, I come and hear that national buffer stock allowed somebody to import rice from India that had expired. And they came and rebagged the rice and served it to our children in secondary schools.
Ano wachi no kana mampanye to aso kire mu so batena konya so wano ampare no kra se abanyumaku awodo bi te se voter authority wobeda ne kire ama ankrankra adwumaku bi ana aba befa
everything to themselves. Go to Accra, go to Kumasi, go to Tamale, go to the regional capitals. Land that belongs to all of us. Houses that belong to all of us. Some were built by Nkrumah, some were built by Champo, some were built by Rawlings. They have taken it and sold to themselves. Recently, I was watching a video. VRA workers were demonstrating because MPP wants to sell VRA. But it won't happen. Because I know NDC is going to win.
I was saying you're telling I can't remember John Dramani Mahama. Na NDC Chechania. One also so short to Nyama Awa Manyokonum Ayera Johnson Asia Dunkatia. Papa so na Jim Ania Kushegu about 2 person so and not near Chra. One also want one was and say I can't watch me new. No my Ghana ya kwa toba. Na wana panye pedia to judge Safia batono. Wa my Ghana ya bakwa semu ampe pen frimu dasan se. Kane man panye sansu jina biem. E wasi ya tono swaba. Nwa sansu di biem be wasa nyoma. Aba wabetena konya so wasa ni nyina ano. Wabehwe na osiesie ni ye. Enam so nti wasra Ghana forces ye to de amaye John Dramani Mahama de a. Ena na sa skirt and blouse no a ya na Ghana for bi no pe. Wazo aban no kra wa amwame. Anasa mepe ye John Dramani Mahama asem entimeto ma nemom ne mra sebedwafo de enya de metintim de ama no no wose koba no sa bema adwuma na ye den ebema won ma bre ama mpuntunyuma Ghana fo ye hwehwe no yensa entumi nka ne sa
neither defeat John Mahama nor John Dinapo, and so they want to drive a wedge. What they want to do is that they will come and tell you vote for John Mahama. As for John Mahama, we like him, but vote against John Dinapo. It is a lie. We need John Dinapo equally as we need President John Dramani.
I was away. I yet at any dema angry see Amanyoko Nora Johnson as you don't get here. Oh my God, now person of Mercy Duria IGP, Dr. George Akufu Dampare and the Assemblies of God as a four. I want Cramante more a share. Now one man share dear no afafia but to home. Sanabaya, sorry, penny for so by one more from dear. What about some gem that would watch our mamma say? And yan tokwa. Ana kyerɛ sɛ wo tumi sini wo bia na sempo wo betumi ase sini pakro ne nyina ne gyina wo kokromoti so kɔ na akotintim wi a na wo hwɛ sɛ wo betumi adan wani na wo kɔ ofie ne ye bo baba na wo de waso atie bi na ano no wo kɔ akɔsra pa se wo bɛsrɛ ana ye ninim Ghanafoɔ binom a wo nam kuntu na se wɔn mo keka sɛ afia batɔre nya de obi ka no mutie wo mo de yɛde so pa so wo mbɛtwetuo wo mbɛtwe nsekan balobox o ma akɔfa wo mbɛsɛ wo man Ghana ya somdue na wɔsra Ghana de hyɛ nyina asasafo no a yɛninim wɔn mo tete yɛ mantam na nso so yɛmpɛsɛ yɛbɛyi wɔn mama no afei de yɛn kyerɛ posifoɔ baabi a wɔn mo hyɛ biada nipa biada a wɔhyɛ baabi na wɔbɔ pɔ pɛsɛ wɔde sɛ wɔn ayi asomdue no yɛn wɔ sɛ yɛbɛtumi ayi na mana Ghana Police Service ana saa ni no atumi adi
serve as vessels that God will use in bringing peace, security, law and order during this election period and beyond. And until we do that, then the prayers will end up being mere words because it's not backed by action. It is for this reason that we want to ask, after you pray, to do 4 main things for us during this election period and beyond. First, as you have prayed for yourself, also take the step yourself to make sure that you don't become a source of disturbances in this country. So that at the end of the day, the prayer for the country, the prayer that you pray for yourself, you allow yourself to be used as a vessel by God in order to ensure that you play your part and ensuring that Ghana continue to be at peace with itself. After
I was aware IGP George Akufu Dampare and Kokoti no. Now Ghana Police Service Chrono no and her woman ye. Was say 1 year who one mason swate. Say no kwa fontent afedi no so aye social media no so a nipa binom adenam honom de omo e de bo won safo hena awo bo ase ene ne fafra mu se afiye bato aye beto no omo de omo mpa asomdwe nti wo ma wase afi no wo ba se wo ma Ghana ya somdwe a ye wo na sa video so no enam wo no abayifo kire se November bo so ndato so dunum e wa afiye mu ana wo mo hunu ye na samrante kwa no a won mo keka sansensem no Ghana Police Service adwumako no ehia won mo dendenden a ana ne kire yada wo nya wo anka wo mani baje ho pa na samrante ya ka wo mo asem yi ayefusani Yauza Bernard Ahido Simon Basit Musa Yakubu do no oborema no se agya Musa ane ni pa binmu a won mo ka ho na posefo kire se bra wo mbɔ mpampa yi asankasafo yi wọ́n bɛ kɔ kyerɛ wɔn wɔ boase anam yaya wodo atete saa no na ɛsɛ wɔn matopia fagyan wɔn madwane a wɔn wɔn na asim futuro kura ɛno na aka wo bia ma wɔn makoto sra Ghana mama sɛ din awodo yɛ ɛde to dwa ɛyɛ fusa Fusani Yauza Bernard Hedo Simon Basit ane Musa Yakubu yɛ friend sɛ agya Musa yi wɔn ne mpɛfɛ sɛ Ghana fo bi no mu nim wɔn woman nimu so na deda social media yi so a won mo kasa kire se won mo mpa asomdue afia bato no won betwe nse kan won mo de atuo benamu wonni a obaya se wodo ho baba won mo de betwitwa won ade ade no yewa se mbara betumi ne safo no wadie na asakwaba no se wotumi boa ama Ghana Police Service ensa ka sa ni panum yi a won mo pe won mo no a ene na sika twitwiri die pa 20,000 Ghana cedis ana aposifo kire se won bedane ya kire de ama wo na se enu ne sika wɔn sɛ asombu yie papaapa na ebetumi aboa na afeso krampo no ebeba ba yɛ abosobode de ama wuni a wo boa ma sankrofo yɛ Ghana Police Service wɔn mo hwehwɛ wɔn mu yi wɔn nsa ebetumi aka na wɔn mo wia no wie wɔn de tetefo atoa so ɛkyerɛ sɛ so obi ehunu saa nipa na na se wɔn atwa saafo no so wɔ baabi ya wɔn ma homanie enu ana sɛ wɔfrɛ de ama asi Ghana Police Service so na saafo no wɔn akɔkɔkye wɔn na wosika no wɔn nsa wɔtimi gya ne kyerɛ ade ama wo number no yɛ 0547 92 72 72 0547 92 7272 when Ghana Police Service one ma homa na wade atodwa na wo sere o mama no se nipa waron pe Ghana fo asomdie no pese obesa abai mu no video so ne na mo nia wo ho mo a ma aposifo aso nte na sikadwutwudie no wona ne kire emfa emawo awoso yo to ansem ne so na PPP amanyoko no panyi kwankyerefo ya wono adano ya Dr. Pakwasi Nduom na papa yi wakasa de ato Ghana fo nyina nim se wabasere pa afi ya bato no wo so mama nyina ni bere yenre asetena mo yenre botom ne yahwese ne wo man na mamuo ne sibe kwane yento aba wasenya se bia yeto aba bi yakeke ma me ye nyamfonso bi nkoto aba mfama nipa sabi oba batena akonya so wono de na ni tua pa na so obo pa epeso ogugu nyuma wasan krofo nyuma ma won monsa no aduane ebo wonom wasenya safo na wase yeto aba ma won mu na mom yehwe asetena mo nto aba pa ye betumi abo my Ghana ni nipa obotum de my Ghana akonkwaje mu.
And it's not on any one political party. The point is that you do politics for the good of the people. You don't do politics that ends up collapsing businesses, for people to become unemployed or unhealthy or anything that is negative. So in my view, you're going to vote for someone who has demonstrated that they will help indigenous Ghanaian businesses to be firm, to do well, and even when they have problems, to help them to overcome those difficulties.
I was sure where your Dr. Pakwasi Nduom no watching Madam Grace Aqua. One no aba here junior high, one no headmaster, and as a head teacher mum, ya one also so our hobby, one also so akasa kakra.
I think that it will really enhance the writing aspect. Now they have a table they can put it on and then write. So they will be able to write before they get to the cage. It's going to help them and it's going to make the work of the teachers to be.
I was sure where Araba here her teacher, Madam Grace Aquanono Bra. Na wapao nursery classroom bia and Dr. Pakwasi Nduom. Wakwasi dia masuku no ananam so masa and some way nyinata ekoso. Ya kwansa foforo wona nanu the National House of Chiefs. One more kwato waba nyina nim se waje awo ya ojebiye otoso mienu. Papa na ne dwumadie ya obedi yasa area president at the National House of Chiefs no na enfie nan no aso awaso wato aba na wohwese obasanso ato no so anase oyi ni pawofro na ebre kwaba no sa no domahene wasagefo wase ade yo agema badu yo toso mienu ana fe waje wo ya ojebi yo no so toso mienu na mpanyefo kwogina ya na ya wase betumi ato wono so aba tentim na yade ama emubi na ebre kwawie ye no waje wo ya ojebi ya toso mienu enya amanimu makomako aduana mienu ya domahene wasagefo wase ade yo agema badu a onso toso mienu nya amanimu aduasa na se waje wo na adehye no tentim de ama no se wonsanso meto ne nuoma pa na woye ewo National House of Chiefs no emu na eno achi no ebra bato no nyina akwa na wiye na nkurimdie ba ye oje owo de no wo fa sa kwanya no so kasai adampanyifo nyina se titiru ena na mahemfo a won mutintim ye edema no.
So chiefs and chieftaincy for that matter must remain apolitical and insulated from partisan politics. In the coming days, we need to work together visibly and greater voice in our national agenda setting. For example, can't we come together, put pressure on government, politicians to get a second chamber, majority of whom must be chiefs in the South? We can do that. It's achievable. It's possible. There are many initiatives and things we have done in the past 4 years, but there are still more that we can do. I believe in the last 4 years, we have laid foundation for greater things. Our re-election shows the House understands that a good foundation has been laid, but now is the time.
I was so away or Jabia or Tosomia no name your quotia, no na your cock for no chabaya or sabia. And the Tierra and Saka Trust and Palifor and Shama Pagua Quem one day, one more sea pharmaceutical complex. And 'twas so at Naya and who's a cajuchi diano, about some 43 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, no, or the $4 simua. I 2.4 million US dollars. Ha, Ebebwa Ghana pa titiru, and a confanoche abayan ayar sabia. Na ebra sad media shunquin, na ampanyu for dana dear na watcher, son ye besibi aye, and son ye sakobana sa one mujia. Ababu ma Ghana ya pom dimun sama afani nro ane adiadeno. Panyo kwanchiro for no and a confanoche abayar sabia wadano. Professor Archery Adamansa afa kwanya so akasai ebra na wanoma adia so ebofom.
Beyond its functionality, this project is testament to our collective determination to meet the challenges in healthcare delivery. We acknowledge the immense role of pharmaceutical services in the continuum of specialist care, and with the completion of this complex, there will be a centralized space for the management of pharmaceutical products to enhance efficiency and other ancillary facilities for the provision of quality pharmaceutical services. It's about ensuring that every patient who walks through the doors of CAF receives timely, comprehensive, compassionate, and convenient care.
I was trying to tell and carry Paja Quadro for your confano Chabaya Sabia Wadano, Professor Archery Ade Mensa. Yana was one of us, Semina, and Sidia Dacoso ya. Ane pitri ya one moment on boy ye aya akosia someone and afi news team ni nyina yadamu nyina mo asedam wase Kelvin and afi Ransford aba China yada won so ase papa panyino de oka wono azuka yes aseda enka won so meso a womodom bo a me number tena sebe kenkan semi meeting ane akosia ajewa kwade aboaten ya sorry so healing point apomuden twade wo hene yere Mame akuya ya bua asiema wode to so adiamao